Hello, taco lovers. Today we'll be making some wild game tacos. I'll be using venison, but you could also use wild boar or bear or pheasant or whatever you have, gotten this wild game. We'll also be talking about, connecting socially for your social health, for your mental health. Before I get into the recipe, please hit the like button or the subscribe button or both. That helps me to keep this channel going.
For these tacos, we're going to start with a marinade for the wild game. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1½ teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of garlic powder, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 3/4 cups of apple cider vinegar. Pour that over 1 to 2 pounds of wild game and marinate in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours. Cook the meat as you prefer, then slice into strips for tacos.
Okay, let's go ahead and try these tacos out. See how they are. That is a good taco. Now, this venison had been gifted to us by my wife's aunt after I had been laid off 2 years ago. And so that's why I'm talking today about connecting socially. So you want to make sure that you have a circle of friends, people that you can trust. And with this group, you want to make sure that you are being open, honest, but be present. Make sure you're there with them. When someone's spending time with you, you don't want to be on your phone and away from them. You want to be there with them. It's going to help you connect better to them and for your own mental health. And also, don't expect anything in return. What you're getting is not a gift or favors from these people. What you're getting is the benefit of your own sanity in the future, your own well being. Have a great day.